Hi everyone, today I wanted to show you this beautiful delivery that I've had from Amy May Craft Supplies, and this is a little box of miniature clays, and I got a great deal on these because I brought them out of season because it is now the 12th of October, so I've got some Halloween in here and I've got some Christmas because realistically I was a little bit more organised this year, I would have already purchased my Christmas and my Halloween stuff, but I may save some of these for next year, for sort of next year, to stand out, because obviously the supplier might not make the same clay polymer things next year, and they might have a different idea for Halloween, so it will help you stand out as well. And I am a natural hoarder, I will tell you that. I am a hoarder. I buy all these beautiful things and then rarely ever put them on my bows, even when I buy them with the best intentions. And there's a lot of us out here actually making things, and buying the stuff to make things are two completely separate hobbies, and I do have issues regarding that. So these are all from Amy May's Craft Supplies, and I'll put the link in the description below. And look how pretty they are. I'll just bring them up a little bit closer so you can see. So the acorns, the little leaf set, the bats and the ghost, that was a set of 4, set of 4, set of 3 and the set of 5, and these were all £1.25 each. The the mummy clay with the little coffin, that was £1.75. This bigger girl here, Christmas girl here with the teddy bear, it's so pretty. I'll bring it up and show you. So she's got the little bow in her hair, her little Christmas hat, and she's even holding a teddy bear. And look at the details, look at the tiny little bows on her shoes. So she was £1.75, again discounted. And then the little Christmas fairy with her beautiful gold wings and her snowflake head details and her little Christmas wand, that one was £1.50. And Mummy with his little coffin, and look at the detail on the coffin, there's even hatching on the back, the details on the actual coffin. He was £1.75, so it was a great deal. The whole box, including the postage, cost me just under £12, so it's well worth it. It's a great way to stand out if they're not released again next year, so that you have something a little bit different. And with these smaller clays, with them being so little in cost compared to the bigger ones, because these ones that normally cost you traditionally between £1.50 if you get them in a really good sale, up to £3.25 depending on the detailing. This one would be potentially anywhere between the £2.75 to £3.25 mark. So like I said, it was a really good deal that you got on those. Same with these ones. On the level of details on these, you would be looking at £2.50 to £3 traditionally. So these smaller ones, where you're paying £1.25 for the 4, like I said, it much reduces the cost, and you've still got a really pretty clay on your bow. So there you go, and I'll put the link in the description below if you want to go and purchase anything yourself. Thank you, bye!